All around the world, your efficiency is our daily work. No matter where, no matter when. India, Thailand, the US, Latin America, or at any of our other branches. Why? Because it's our passion. Every day we deliver our support from afar, or right there by your side. Everyone works hard to make your success our mission.
So, typical day.